Hello guys, quick video lang about our results for this client. So today is November 1, 2025 and I'm really excited to show you how our October went. So the date is October 1 to 31. We have spent magkakalahating million na, so 488,000. And in return, we got 6.3 million. Some of business owners will be shocked no na almost 500,000 gagastusin lang para sa ads. But for us here in Ad Zero, hindi lang basta tayo gumagastos ng ads, nag-i-scale tayo pag ready na yung brand. So doing ads is really an investment for your brand, and for this client, for the ad spent na nasa 488,000, ang ROI niyan or yung return nung nagastos niya na yan ay ayan po, umabot ng mga nasa 13 times. So for a high ad spend campaign, 13 times of ROI is really profitable. Kasi usually habang tumataas yung ad spend, buwababa po yan ang buwababa. So if you know us, we are Ad Zero. If you need help with your brand, we are your partner for growth, and we will help you shatter your next 7 or 8 figures or help you to go from zero to hero. Once again, this is FM Romento. Just comment, just hit us up if you need any help with your brand, and we will give you free discovery call.